Hey besties, and thank you so much for being here. If you're new, my name is Lindsay. I love makeup, skincare, and hanging out with you guys so much. And if you're not new, I hope everyone is having a great day. Thank you so much for joining me yet again. I love you. In today's video, we're going to be doing one of my favorite things to do on the channel. Y'all know how much I love to do lip videos, lip swatch videos, anything like that. And when I combine lip videos, like lips, anything with Fenty Beauty, I always know I'm gonna have a really fun time because they make killer lip products. So today I have the Fenty Beauty Cherry Treat Conditioning Lip Oil. Actually, Fenty Skin Conditioning Lip Oil and Cherry Treat. So I'm super excited to try this on for you guys today. I've wore it a few times. I've had it for over a month now, I want to say, and I actually really do enjoy it, but I did want to share it with you guys because I realized I hadn't, but I had it on my journal to share it and I never ended up doing it. So we're gonna do it today and let's jump right in. So this is what the product looks like up close. This product is $24 and you get 0.19 ounces inside. Now, when I did do my research and look at other brands at Sephora and kind of, you know, like what their lip oils ranges are, the House Labs is also $24 and so is the Merit lip oil. So I feel like that's a really good price range for Sephora. I won't say pretty good, but it's a pretty fair price point when you do compare it to other lip oils. Another thing to mention is that 0.19 ounces, you're definitely getting less product with this than with those products. However, I just wanted to share with you guys the numbers when it comes to popular lip oils. For example, Merit, like I said, has 0.23 ounces for $24. House Labs has 0.25 ounces for $24. Clarins actually has $27 and they give 0.2 ounces. And then also Jaclyn Cosmetics, dang, $20 for 0.08 ounces. I just wanted you guys to have, you know, those comparisons when you are thinking about lip oils that you might be interested in. But of course, again, all of the formulas are always going to be different and that is going to play a big factor. This is a very thick formula, so you don't need a lot, which I do enjoy. I'll also go ahead and just quickly read some of the claims on the product, and then we're gonna go ahead and apply it on my lips. It says it's an ultra hydrating lip oil. It goes on clear and cushions lips with a decadent fruit oil and vitamin-rich cherry extract. It also leaves the lips moisture barrier replenished, so that's a really great claim on that because I was wondering why it's called the Cherry Treat Conditioning and Strengthening Lip Oil. So I guess it's supposed to help with that barrier, which is really great. It says skin type is for normal, dry, combination, and oily. And then some of the key ingredients are sweet cherry oil infused with fatty acid, moisturizes, and nourishes. So I am very excited to put this on the lips, even though I've already put this on the lips quite a few times already. So when you do open it up, you can see the doe foot on this is insanely big. So that's another reason I really don't care as much about, you know, how you're not getting as much product with this, because the doe foot's so big, you're not gonna have to go back in and in and in like you would with the Merit one or other lip oils I have tried. So you go ahead and apply it, and all you need is this one dip. Let me show you. And you're good to go. So that's the reason that I feel like even though there's a little bit less product, it's not the biggest deal ever because the formula's thicker, and because of that, it's gonna last longer on my lips than I do feel like other lip oils I own do have. Yeah, I wish it would be a little bit more tinted, but other than that, like, this is what it looks like. I do love the product. It is very hydrating. It's the kind of hydrating product where you do one layer and you're good to go, and it gives a really beautiful shiny effect on the lips, but the quality of the product feels so good that you literally want to just keep like smacking it on your lips, even though I wouldn't suggest to because it is quite pricey. You don't have that much product in there. It's just so good, you guys. So Fenty Beauty definitely did it again with this product. Are there other products out there that I feel like can give definitely a similar effect? Yes. However, I feel like this hydrating property that it does have to it makes it worth it to me personally. But there's so many lip oils out there, you guys, that are going to work out for you. I know the Milani one is really, really good too. I feel like that one is probably like the closest in like thickness to this one. This one isn't super thick to the point where it feels like something is very heavy on your lips. But again, it's thick enough to where it's not going to wear off throughout the day super quickly. Like some of my other thinner lip oils, like the Rem Beauty one. That one definitely wears off really quickly in comparison and doesn't feel as nourishing as this one. And neither do a lot of the other ones I've been naming. So for that reason, to me, I will repurchase this when I do run out. You can call me crazy, but I think it's a great formula and it makes me really happy. And I don't think I've touched on the scent, but it smells like cherries 100%. There's no denying it. It's not the type of scent either where it's gonna make your skin crawl, it's gonna make your stomach hurt, you're gonna just want it off of your lips and it's gonna linger, which I do appreciate, you guys. Cherry is actually a scent that I'm kind of like touchy with. So is lavender. So with this, I feel like I do enjoy it. I think I tried one from Milani that was like cherry scented. It made my tummy hurt really bad and I didn't even really want it on my lips for too long. So again, that's just a fragrance that to me, I'm a little bit more sensitive with, but for me this one worked out really well. Again, are there other products that are going to give you a similar finish? Yes, but as far as how it feels on the lips, how it looks on the lips, and my preferences, I definitely would repurchase this one. Let's hope it lasts at least a month or two though, because I have so many other products. I know I'm not going to use this every single day, just when I want that extra hydration. So hopefully it'll last a long time, you guys. If I have to buy a new one like every single month, that's gonna be a deal breaker probably. But what I will say is you don't have to reapply it like crazy throughout the day like you do with other lip oils that I have tried, which is why to me I justify it to myself. But yeah, besties, I hope this video was helpful. I hope you enjoyed. I love actually trying the products out for longer than just, you know, 1 minute on camera and then giving you my opinions, because I have a lot of time to think about it and really think of if I would recommend it or not, if that makes sense. Definitely not gonna stop doing first impressions or anything like that. I'm just making a statement. But yeah, besties, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, leave it a like, comment, subscribe, all the good things, and I will see you in the next one. Bye!